Hi everyone, it's Barbara and welcome to a Fashom unboxing. I've been waiting for this box, so I am excited to get it open. If you guys are not familiar with Fashom, hello beautiful, don't you just love it? They are a personal styling service. You get, let's see, with Fashom, how much is it? It's $15 for your styling fee, but if you haven't tried Fashom, you can get your first box for free. The styling fee is waived. So let's see what's in here. Shipping is free both ways. They, let's see, here it is. Provide you a prepaid envelope to return anything that you are not keeping. And this is sent, looks like post office. So you can just give to your postal person or drop it off. I always like to get a receipt because if they don't get your items, you're gonna get charged for them. So I always get a receipt. Get an envelope with all your information in here. Let's see, oh, it's the invoice. I'm not gonna look at that. Better as I am, hashtag. They give you all the instructions on this nice card. So you know what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, how much time you have. You get 3 days to decide what you want to keep and what you want to return. If you need an extension, they have no problems giving you an extension if you need a little more time. They also, for each box sold, they donate $1 to, who do they donate that to? I'll tell you. They donate that, I want to make sure I have it right. Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. That's really nice that they do that. It's nice when companies give back. So I appreciate that. Also, oh, here's my bundle. They send you a preview. Normally I think it's about 7 items to preview, and you have to pick at least 5 for them to send to you. Now on this particular one, I asked for some additional items to select from, and so I have 5 items in here that I'm really excited about. Oh. It's my bundle. If you keep everything in your box, all 5 items, you get a 30% discount. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get a 20% discount. That's a really nice discount. We're off to a good start. Okay, this is the top by Chris and Carol. It's $37. It's a size small. It fits great. It has some stretch in it. I like the sleeves. The navy stripes with the solid. It's really a nice top. $37. I like how it goes higher and lower. Scoops up. We're off to a very good start. This is the top by Chris and Carol. It's $41. It's really a cute top. I like the teal color in it. It gives it a little bit something else to it. I like the 3/4 sleeve. The dolman is nice. The sleeve also has like the little bit of gathering here on each side. And on the hip, so it gives that form-fitting fit without being too tight. So you still have some room. And this is a size small. I think it's very flattering. I like it. I like it. We're 2 for 2. Let's see what's next. I'm liking this. This is the sweater by MAC. It is $46. This is a thicker material than the last 2 tops that I've tried on. This is really nice. I love this. I like the length of it. It can dress up just pair of black slacks like I have on, or a pair of jeans. I just put a black top on underneath it. It has black buttons going down the front. You could just wear it with it buttoned up, some statement jewelry, the 3/4 sleeves. This one is a size medium, so my stylist, she knew I need to size up in this. So the medium fits great. This is really nice. I like this a lot. Okay, so now I have 2 dresses, so hang on. I don't know, it's pretty cute. Okay, this dress is only $52 and it is by Les Amis. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is pretty darn cute. All right, so let's just start with the print. It's a very pretty print. I'm normally not a floral girl, but this is really nice. And 3/4 sleeves, perfect. They fit nice and snug. It is a faux wrap, so you've got the security. It has the nice tie here. It's not going anywhere, which is wonderful, but gives you the illusion of a wrap, which is cute. I like that it's high-waisted. I like the waistband or the band up here rather than down here. So I think it's a really cute dress. The length is great. It looks like it might come up a little bit on the sides, or is that just me? But the length is perfect. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? It's pretty cute. Okay, I'm taking my heels off so I can come down a little further here. Okay, there's one dress that I couldn't get on, and this is the one by Naked Zebra, $42. I'll tell you what, this is a small, and I could get it pulled up, but it is a mini dress. Like, I'm talking a mini. Look at that. It doesn't look that short there, but it was probably my hips pulling it up. It is so short. I wouldn't even attempt to get it in a medium. There's just no way. It's a cute dress though. So this is going to be a no. Not even in another size. Unless the math works out. Okay, let's kind of break it down a little bit. My absolute favorites are the baseball tee and the sweater cardigan. These two are my favorite, like absolute. I will get a lot of wear out of these, and that total is $83. If I keep the whole box, it's only $152.60. Okay, but then the third item that I like is this dress. So if I keep 3 pieces, I get 25% off. So 3 pieces with the 25% off would be $101.25. So then the question is, for an additional $51, do I want this other top? And it's $41, so it'd be basically $10 off. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to do the math and kind of figure it out. This shirt I liked, but it's very thin, like super thin. See how thin that is? I would like it a lot better if it was thicker. So for that reason, I'm kind of on the fence. But if the math works out, then I'll love it. So that's where I am with my Fashom. Overall, it's a great, great box. Morgan is my stylist. So Morgan, if you're watching, thank you so much. And the note from Morgan says, it's Fashom Box Day. In this box, you will find some of our newest exclusive autumn essentials that I know you are going to rock in Virginia. Hope to style you again soon. Your stylist, Morgan. Well, Morgan, I'm telling you what, you did a great job.